Welcome to Perfectly United presents the Feline Chronicles, tracing the evolution of wildcats to beloved companions. Cats have been captivating humans for thousands of years, but where did they come from? Let's dive into the fascinating history of domestic cats. Our story begins in the ancient deserts of Egypt, where wildcats roamed freely. These wild ancestors of today's domestic cats were admired for their grace and beauty. As civilizations flourished, humans began to develop a close bond with these wild felines. They noticed their excellent hunting skills and soon realized the benefits of having cats around. These cats showcased their natural instincts and abilities to catch small prey. Such as mice, birds, and insects with remarkable precision and efficiency. One of the primary benefits the cats provided was their role in pest control. The community, like many others, had struggled with pest infestations, which could be harmful to both their crops and stored food supplies. In ancient Egypt, cats were revered as sacred animals. Cats were first domesticated in ancient Egypt around 4,000 years ago, where they were revered and considered sacred animals. They even had their own deity, Bastet, the goddess of home, fertility, and protection. These esteemed creatures were buried with great care, showing the deep love Egyptians had for them. But the history of domestication doesn't end there. As trade routes expanded, cats traveled far and wide, carried aboard ships to control pests. They spread across the globe, adapting to various environments along the way. In medieval Europe, cats had a darker role. They were associated with witchcraft and superstition, leading to mass killings during the infamous witch hunts. This superstition led to widespread persecution of cats, contributing to an increase in rodent populations and, inadvertently, the spread of disease like the Black Plague. It wasn't until the Renaissance period that cats regained their rightful place as cherished companions. Fast forward to the present day, where cats have become beloved pets in millions of homes worldwide. Their independent nature, playful personalities, and soothing purrs have captured our hearts. But amidst the meows and cuddles, we must remember the wild spirit that still lies within these domesticated friends. Cats are descendants of fierce hunters who once roamed vast landscapes, and they retain that cunning instinct. So next time your cat curls up on your lap or playfully swats at a toy, take a moment to appreciate their incredible journey from wildcats to cherished companions. Overall, the history of cats is a tale of admiration, superstition, persecution, and eventually appreciation. Their journey from revered deities in ancient Egypt to beloved pets in the contemporary world showcases the enduring bond between cats and humans throughout the ages. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. We hope you enjoyed the Feline Chronicles, tracing the evolution of wildcats to beloved companions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories about the animals that share our world. Thanks for watching.